Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm back. Okay, so I had been MIA for a long time. Life just happens, things happen. You have to focus on other things, and it is what it is, you know? So thank you guys for tuning in. Today's video, as you guys can see by the title, it is a sultry Valentine's Day makeup. So I wanted to go for something sultry, something sexy, something that you can wear with other colors. Let's say you want to wear something red, but you don't want to wear a red lipstick, or whatever the case is, you just don't want to wear red on your face that day. I just wanted to create something sultry, something appropriate for dinner, something appropriate for the daytime, nighttime, and anything that you really want to do, or just a sultry eye, even if it's not Valentine's Day. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I thank you so much for tuning in, and I will try to be putting up a video a week if I can, if my schedule lets me, God willing. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and so you guys know when I have uploaded a video. If you guys want to get notifications, click the little bell next to the subscribe button. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram here, _ScarlyRey. And I upload videos like almost all the time because I work in a makeup store. So if you guys are interested in any other looks that are on my page, on my Instagram, that you want me to do a tutorial for, then just let me know and I will gladly have that up for you guys. So without further ado, let's get to the tutorial. I'm gonna go into my Morphe 3502, and the color that I'm using right now is the color that I'm gonna be using as a transition shade is called Tan, and I'm just going to take this e.l.f. brush, that color into the crease like so. If you guys are interested to know which are my favorite blending brushes, which are my favorite eye brushes, let me know and I will gladly make a video about that, because I bought these brushes, a pack of these brushes, for less than $10. So the next color that I'm going to take into the crease area is going to be Fawn, and Fawn is like a nice chocolate burgundy. No, actually I'm going to take Stone. Sorry guys. Just gonna take Stone in the outer corner. So I'm going to just kind of diffuse that in the outer corner and take it down in the lid as well. I like that. Starting to look very sexy already. So dumb. And then with the same brush that we use for our crease shade, we're gonna go back in with the same crease shade and just blend that out. Honestly, because that was necessary. Oh my god. So I'm just going to take that tan shade and just kind of take it in there and blend that all together. Because we want it to be, like I said, nice and sultry, but I wanted to stay like with that kind of like, oof. I'm just gonna go ahead and take Rich and blend it close here. I'm going to take Unity, which is this like bone color here. Just gonna take that on a packing brush, and I'm going to set my lid. You know what? I think I'm gonna take Flux. Flux is this color right here. And yes, Flux, come through. So I'm just going to take some of the brown. So I'm going to go into my Prism palette, and I'm just going to take this shade. It is called Parallel, and I love this brown. I'm gonna take that on a blending brush and just take it on the outer corners. I do want to add some black to the outer part. I just don't know if I should add it now or if I should add it later. You know what? I'm just gonna add it now. So I'm just going to take a little bit of brown mixed with that black, and I'm going to take it right in the outer part, right here. Perfecto. I took Unity and packed it on the lid. And just make sure that that's all blended with the darker shades and the other shades. And then just kind of blend it out. Blends out. And I think our eyes are done. Now I'm just gonna put some lashes on and then move on to our face. Going to add a little bit of the Huda Beauty, and I use the color Dulce de Leche. So now for under our eye, I'm just gonna use my Tarte today. I'm just going to keep it simple. My Tarte is almost done, so I need to pick up another one.
Ah, sí, no, yo también.
Mommy! Like sis. I'm just going to add a little bit of this H for Wine concealer. Right in the center. Contour is these lightweight concealer sticks by E.L.F. and I actually really love this. This is the color Deep and this is the color that I use to contour. So I'm just going to bake under my eye, and my baking is really light. Angled a small angled brush, and I'm going to go into the Anastasia palette, the Prism palette. I'm just gonna go ahead and take that black shade, which is called Obsidian, and I'm gonna line the bottom of my eyes. Oh, exactly. Okay, so that is the finished look, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to go for a sultry, sexy Valentine's Day makeup look. So thank you guys so much for watching and tune in for the next video.